हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग MSMEs टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. एज यू नो दैट द मटेरियल्स ऑफ दिस टॉपिक have already been sent, and now let us try to have some discussion about this topic that is very important. MSMEs. MSMEs actually stands for micro, small and medium enterprises. As we know that industry is classified on various parameters, on various factors. For example, on the basis of product, on the basis of place, and most importantly, that is this particular parameter which is related to our topic, on the basis of capacity, shape or size. That is to say, when we classify the industry on the basis of capacity, shape or size, we simply know that it is classified as a large scale industry, medium scale industry, a small scale industry. So the scaling of industry in terms of size actually is very important to understand as far as economic development or GDP of the country is concerned. So MSMEs, when we say micro level industry, a small level industry and medium level industry or enterprises, whatever we can say, in any economy of the world, including our country, MSMEs sector play the very significant role as far as economic development and growth is concerned, or GDP is concerned. We must not forget that it actually generates almost 90% employment opportunity. And also, if you just try to frame out that 90% actually industries are mainly belonging to this MSMEs rather than large scale industry. So from this you can simply understand that anything which contributes almost 90%, जहाँ तक इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट और एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात है, तो आप इसी से समझ सकते हैं कि ये कितना ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है किसी भी देश के आर्थिक विकास के लिए, उसके जीडीपी के लिए. इसलिए इस टॉपिक में हम लोग ये जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इसका क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, ये कैसे परिभाषित किया जाता है, एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्कीम्स, पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स दैट गवर्नमेंट time to time announces and implements for the survival and for the expansion and development of MSMEs sector. As far as its definition is concerned, it is defined by various agencies like Reserve Bank of India, Planning Commission, and now Niti Aayog, and also different agencies are there. So the one recent definition, that is according to the MSMED Act, the Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006, Government of India. The important definition of the MSMEs are actually the investment criteria. On the basis of the total investment in any particular industrial unit, we can understand that any particular industrial unit is either micro, a small or medium. For example, suppose if there is the investment up to 25 lakhs rupees, that is the total capitalization, total investment. Suppose if up to 25 lakhs rupees in the manufacturing sector, then that is defined, that is called micro level unit. If it increases from 25 lakhs and up to 5 crore, then it is defined as a small units, a small industrial unit. And in the same way we have the medium enterprises. So either in the manufacturing sector or service sector we can see this investment criteria. Why? Because definitely we are discussing or classifying the industry on the basis of capacity. So the investment criteria and the total investment capacity is very key. So, and if it exceeded whatever the investment criteria is in case of medium level enterprise, then after that we have the large scale industry. So again I would like to repeat, MSMEs, micro, small and medium enterprises, and these industrial units actually contribute and actually are the total part of any economy is actually up to 90%. So that is very, very key, what actually we keep in our mind. Now the question is that its definition changes time to time, because as we know that if there is no any protection on behalf of the government, then the MSME sector actually cannot compete with the large scale industry, because that is to say, suppose if any particular small unit is manufacturing ice cream, chocolate, etc., and if ITC, that is the large scale industry, Nestle, Hindustan Unilever Limited, these are the large scale industry. So if there is a competition between MSMEs and large scale industry, it is very easy to understand that MSMEs actually could not survive. It would be very difficult for the survival. So that's why time to time, to protect, to maintain its survival, government actually tries to define its investment criteria so that it could be maintained and it could contribute to the development and employment of the economy of the country. That is what we have to understand MSMEs. Now one thing that is I would like to add as far as the concept of the MSMEs are concerned, there is the labor intensive and capital intensive. MSME sectors are basically regarded the labor intensive sector. Labor intensive sector means that in such type of enterprises there is the huge scope for the manpowers, for the laborers, for the professionals, for the workers compared to the large scale industry, because in large scale industry there is the huge employment of the capital, and there is the huge actually investment as far as the capital as well as the modern technology is concerned, because in the large scale industry it is capital intensive, and there is the complete automatization, artificial intelligence, and what, as we know that in today's industrial or business world, or even in general, the technology is changing minute to minute. हर एक समय में टेक्नोलॉजी इतना बदल रहा है, तो there is the huge employment or application of the modern technology in the large scale industry. Hindustan Unilever Limited, Hindustan Petroleum, NTPC, and there are so many actually different types of companies in any particular sector, automobile like Toyota, General Motors, etc. So in such type of industries, that is large scale, the scope of the manpower is less than that of technology. So as far as if we talk about the from employment point of view, कि हमारे देश जैसे इंडिया जैसे कंट्री में अगर हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात करते हैं, और ऑब्वियस है बिकॉज हमारे पास जो पूल ऑफ मैन पावर है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज है, और पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट इतना ज़्यादा है कि अगर हम सारे लोगों को, ज़्यादा लोगों को अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट किसी न किसी रूप में अगर प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए। और ख़ासकर आज के संदर्भ में हम जब देखते हैं, इफ़ देयर इज़ द कोरोना वायरस crisis, that is what the entire world is actually experiencing. So from every angle, from different angles, from every angle, the MSMEs sectors are very, very important. This is most important, if I can say. And so labor intensive, that means in the micro level units, in the small level units, in medium level units, we can provide more and more employment opportunity compared to the large scale industry. So choice is ours, choice is of the government, that in which way we should go and how actually we can harmonize as far as the economic development of the country is concerned, and as well as employment is